Friends, in today's video, we are going to discuss only one thing. Can an app really be made using AI? Is it possible to use an AI tool and build your own app from your laptop or mobile phone? In this video, I'll explain to you in great detail and with facts to what extent this is possible and who all are actually using such types of apps. We'll also try to understand a bit deeply that if this is possible, then why do mobile app development companies still exist today? Why not? People just make apps from their phones or laptops themselves. See, if I'm talking about AI, then here I'm talking about ChatGPT, Gemini, Llama, and many such AI tools where based on the prompts we write, these AIs give us the entire code written out. Yes, it is absolutely true that work has become easier because of AI, but it would be completely wrong to say that just by using ChatGPT, you can make a very good, fully functional application and run it. Yes, work can become easier, but becoming fully dependent on something like ChatGPT, especially when it comes to the cloud, would be absolutely wrong. Let me explain with some facts. Suppose you are non-technical, although there are a few more facts that I'll tell you about, but before that, let me tell you, if you are seeing any such ads, whether on Google, Meta or Facebook, anywhere you see an ad saying, brother, make an app with AI, become an app developer for free with AI, learn it yourself, see, they will definitely show you how to use the tools. They will definitely tell you what the process will be, but when you actually start building, when you face difficulties, they won't be there with you live to give you the solution. They are just selling courses. You must have seen many such videos on YouTube as well. So they are also saying such things just to increase the views on their videos. Let's talk about the facts in a bit more detail. See, let's assume you know how to use ChatGPT very well. You know how to search on Google very well, but you are non-technical. You have never seen or understood coding before today. You just opened ChatGPT and wrote your problem there. Like you want to make an app. Let's say you want to make an e-commerce app or a video status app or whatever is trending. You gave a problem in one step like, brother, I want to make an e-commerce app. So what all processes should I follow? Please tell me, I'm a non-technical person. If you write this on ChatGPT, then see what response comes. It will tell you step by step that if you are non-technical, although ChatGPT will also mention in its response that if you are non-technical, you should first watch some tutorials on YouTube, take a bit of guidance from your seniors who are in this field, and after that, you should use all these tools. Properly, this AI will tell you everything, but still, if you follow all the processes of AI, there will be places where you will have to install Visual Studio if you're working on Flutter. So installing Flutter, giving commands, Node.js, which is used for backend, understanding the database. Now suppose it has told you the process, but implementing that process is another thing. And look, if you don't even know what a database is, what a server is, what exactly Flutter is, or how we will build on it, or how Flutter works, if you don't know all this, then you won't be able to build an app no matter how good a process you get. Then it will be like, if I say here, brother, there will be a debate, tell me how to make a rocket, and ChatGPT gives me the list of materials, and I go and bring the rocket and make it, then brother, space. Why does NASA exist? Why does ISRO exist? They can tell us the process. We can gain knowledge from them. But that doesn't mean we can immediately build something without seniors or without joining any organization. It doesn't work like that, right? Until you have in-depth knowledge of all these things, if you don't know, okay, ChatGPT has told you that you can make your front end in Flutter, back end in Node.js, create your tables and hold all your data in the database and make it live on the server in this way. But how to connect all these four things together and make them work? Have you actually used the database? Why are you even creating those tables? If you're using Flutter, then why are you using Flutter and not React? Why aren't you using native? Why are you using Node.js for the backend? What exactly is the backend? How good is Node.js for backend, or compared to other tools, how much better are they than Node.js? If you don't know all this, then you won't be able to complete it at all. It doesn't make any sense. So the videos you're watching, all these types of videos are just for getting numbers to sell courses. If you actually want to build something from here, then for that you need to understand the basics, I believe. At least if nothing else, you should have an understanding of databases. You should know what a server is, what Android Studio is, how to build, how to go live. There are many such basic things that you should understand. On top of that basic knowledge, you will definitely be able to build something even with the help of ChatGPT. If you get stuck somewhere, ChatGPT can help you out. But many times it has also been seen that if you're using free tools, they can get you stuck. There are some problems for which even ChatGPT doesn't have the answer. You will definitely need seniors for that. Alright, I'm not explaining to you in such a way here, nor am I promoting in any way that you must go to an app development company. If you want to learn, then you can learn from ChatGPT. Many good people are learning at this time and making really good apps. But it's not just about ChatGPT, Cloud or Google Gemini. It's not enough. those same people are also taking help from seniors, watching tutorials on YouTube, and they really want to enter and immerse themselves in that field. For this, they are giving their time. Now, if a non-technical person comes in and faces errors a couple of times, all their excitement about ChatGPT and coding will vanish. The moment you see a red-colored error in coding, you start sweating. If you are non-technical, just try solving it. Ask those freshers who have faced it. By the way, has this ever happened to you or not? Do let me know in the comments. If you liked my video and understood that I have spoken facts, then do give this video a like. Thank you friends. See you in the next video.